Hey YouTube, I'm back, and today I'm going to teach you how to rotate or replace the blades for the Dewalt 734 planer. Tools you will need is the Allen key provided, a 3/16 Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. In this case, I will be rotating my blade, so let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is remove the 3 screws for the dust shroud. After you have removed the dust port, you will need to remove the 2 Allen key screws with a 3/16 Allen key. Always make sure you have a magnet or a container to keep your screws in so you won't lose them. Let's get started. Once you have the 2 screws removed, remove this back panel. You will come across 8 screws with the supplied Allen key. You will need to remove all 8 screws to get to your blades. Make sure the locking mechanism is locked to where it won't allow it to spin. Locked. Once you have removed all 8 screws, use the magnet tool to remove the blade cover and then the blade. Once you pull the blade out, rotate and install back in. The magnet tool allows you to keep your hands away from the blade from chances of cutting yourself. Once you're done with that, reinstall the blade cover. And screw all 8 screws back in place. Once you have screwed all 8 Allen key screws back in, you want to mark that blade with an identifier to know that you have already done that blade. Once you've done that, push the lock and rotate the blade slowly. Once that has done, lock it back into place. And you're good to repeat this 2 more times and your blades will be ready to put back together. Once you have done it all 3 times, make sure all identifiers indicate that you have replaced all 3 blades. Go ahead and remove the tape. Now it's time to put this back panel on. The foam goes up against the yellow back. Your 2 big screws with the 3/16 Allen key. After that, you want to put back the dust collector attachment, and you'll have 2 screws to do that with the Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget the one below. Once you have completed replacing your blades, put the tools back and you're ready to rock and roll. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.